Hey guys, if you're looking for an automated crypto trading platform in 2025, Pionex is one of the top choices, offering powerful tools for both beginners and experienced traders. Let's take a look at what makes Pionex stand out. First of all, we have automated trading bots. Pionex provides 16 free built-in bots, including Grid Trading Bot, which buys lows and sell high within a set range. DCA Bot automates dollar cost averaging strategies. Arbitrage Bot takes advantage of price differences across exchanges. Martingale Bot uses a progressive betting strategy for risk management. These bots run 24/7 with no coding required, making trading effortless. Pionex has low fees and high liquidity. Pionex offers some of the lowest fees in the industry at just 0.05% per trade, with liquidity aggregated from major exchanges like Binance and Huobi. Pionex is licensed as a USA money services business. It also supports KYC verifications, two-factor authentication security, and vulnerability bounty program, while regulated in Singapore and US for added trust. It also has dual investment feature. Pionex Dual Investment allows users to set buy-sell orders at a desired price and date. You can also potentially achieve up to 40% annualized returns with reduced risks. Some additional features for Pionex are Pionex GPT, which is AI-powered chatbot for programming trading bots. It also supports 250 plus cryptocurrencies with deep liquidity, a user-friendly mobile application for trading on the go. While Pionex offers powerful tools, crypto trading always carries risks. You have to check if it's available in your region or use a VPN if necessary. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.